Tuesday, and today is Judgment Day for the Texas Oil Company under fire in Collier County. It must meet 9 demands set by the state of Florida to ensure the safety of everyone who lives there. But will the company do it? And what are those demands? NBC2 Sam Sweeney is live in our studio right now, breaking it all down for us. Sam, good morning.
Krista, good morning. Red flags went up back in December when the company was caught performing unauthorized fracking-like drilling near Lake Trafford. Activists say the company put Collier County's drinking water at risk. Now, under extreme pressure from Collier residents, the state set 9 demands that the Dana Hughes company must meet. The state wants more transparency, constant groundwater testing, and they must be able to show every 10 days that they have a plan in place in case of a disaster. The Dana Hughes company was also required to address the public at a July 8th commission meeting, but they were a no-show. Today, we will be questioning state officials to see what the consequences may be if the Dana Hughes company once again fails to meet the demands of the state of Florida. Live in the studio this morning, I'm Sam Sweeney, NBC2.
Now it's